Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to transfer file from a Mac to an external hard drive. First, plug in the hard drive into the Mac using the cable that came with it. After plugging, open the external hard drive folder. Now you can see I will transfer one image file from external hard drive to my Mac desktop. You saw how easily it's got transferred. But when you try to transfer any file from Mac to external hard drive, it shows that you can't move or copy on external hard drive. So we are going to fix this one now. First, open your Launchpad from dock. Then open other folder. Then click on disk utility. After open the disk utility, select the external hard drive that you want to fix. I will select my final data hard drive. Now you can see the erase button from up corner. Just click on the erase button. After click on the erase button, one notification will arrive here. You can see the name and format option in this notification. So I am going to select expat in format option and I will click on erase button. Friends, after erasing the hard drive, it will remove your can't move or copy error mark. Now you can transfer any file from your Mac to your external hard drive. Now I'll show you. I'll transfer one image into an external hard drive. See, it's easy to transfer. So that's it friends. And I want to tell you another one thing. There is some best equipment that compatible with Mac. You can see here is some best external hard drive list for Mac, which one compatible with MacBook. If you want to know more details, please visit on our website. That's it friends, thank you for watching our video. If you like our video, please like, comment and subscribe on our channel. Also you can visit our website